Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math, and today we're going to learn about systems of two equations, and we solve each system by substitution. So, if I was given this system, negative 7x plus 4y equals a 24, and my second equation is 4x minus 4y equals a 0. Well, what I want to do is I want to get one of these variables by itself. Second equation looks easier. So I'm going to add a 4y to both sides. That leaves me with 4x equals 0 plus 4y, which is 4y. Divided by 4 to both sides, and I have x equals 4y divided by 4, which is just y. So I have x equals y right there. Pretty nice fact, but be careful with this. A lot of students will mess that up. So let's go rewrite my first equation here, okay? First equation comes back down, negative 7, and instead of, I really can pick which one I want, but instead of an x, I'm going to put a y there. So substituting instead of x, the y, plus 4y equals a 24. Now I'm going to solve for y. Negative 7 times y is a negative 7y, plus 4y equals 24. Negative 7y plus 4y is a negative 3y equals 24. If I divide by 3 to both sides, I have a y equals, well, a negative divided by negative 3, excuse me. 24 divided by negative 3 is a negative 8. So we have y equals negative 8. I need to plug that into another one of my equations. Now we can look right here and say, hey, x equals y, so x has to be negative 8, right? Let's just amuse ourselves. Let's pick the second equation here. So we have 4x minus 4y equals 0. Let's plug that negative 8 in, okay? Well, we have 4x minus 4 times negative 8 equals 0. 4 times negative 8, or negative 4 times a negative 8, okay, is a positive 32 equals 0. Subtract the 32 to both sides. Pretty redundant here. 4x equals a negative 32. Divided by 4 to both sides, we get x equals a negative 8. What we kind of knew right there. Either way, our final answer we can write as a coordinate point, negative 8 comma negative 8, our x and y value, and there we have it, our final answer. So let's recap. We're given our two equations. Okay, we need to solve this by substitution. My second equation, I try to get a variable by itself, and in doing so, I get x equal to y. From there, okay, I took my first equation and plugged y in for the x value right here. Okay, this little y right there. So I simplified. In simplifying that, I got a y value to be a negative 8. At that point, I could realize that, hey, x equals a y value, so y equals negative 8, x equals negative 8. Which we could, but we took the second equation, just to be sure, and plugged negative 8 in. Negative 4 times negative 8 was a positive 32. Subtract the 32 to both sides, got 4x equals negative 32. Divided 4 to both sides, x equals a negative 8. And there we have it with x equals negative 8, y equals negative 8. Our coordinate point solving the system of equations, our solution, is negative 8 comma negative